The French knot is probably the most difficult stitch, or one of the most difficult stitches on this sampler kit. So the troubleshooting for this is one of the most important ones. When you're doing a French knot, tension is one of the most important things. So obviously you're going to do your 2 wraps, 3 wraps, however many you choose. And when you're coming back down through there, you want your knot to stay together so that it doesn't fall apart as you pull it through. So I think the key here is that a lot of people don't realize how important their non-dominant hand is. So you're going to grab the thread with your non-dominant hand, holding the needle with your dominant hand, and wrap it. And then you're going to pull the knot to the surface of the fabric. So that knot should be sitting on the surface of the fabric before you pull the needle all the way through. So we're going to watch it one more time. So I want you to really watch after I wrap the needle, how I slide the knot down while the needle's inserted, but I don't actually pull it through until that knot is at the surface of the fabric. So that makes sure that the knot is already at the right tension before we pull the net thread through.